celebrate the much anticipated occasion of our School Foundation Day. It is with immense joy and pride that we come together to commemorate this significant milestones in the journey of our beloved institution. Foundation Day serves as a reminder of our roots, our collective histories, and the indomitable spirit that has propelled us forward. It is a time for us to reflect on the remarkable achievements of our school, to honor the visionaries who laid the gratitude to all those who have contributed to our success. On this momentous occasion, we have planned a range of captivating activities and events to celebrate our foundation week. On this auspicious occasion, let us invite our Honorable Principal Sir, Mr. Amit Trivedi Sir, to address the gathering, initiate the lamp lighting ceremony. Please, sir. have a special performance by our talented students. They will be presenting a patriotic song showcasing their love for our nation and its value of its represent.
लगने से एक युवक की मृत्यु हो गई और उसकी उम्र सिर्फ 24 वर्ष थी। सिर्फ 24 वर्ष।
सिर्फ 24 वर्ष?
हाँ, और उसकी घटनास्थल पर ही मृत्यु हो गई।
यह कोई एक ही घटना नहीं है, ऐसी सैकड़ों घटनाएं रोज अखबारों में छपती है।
एक रिपोर्ट के अनुसार 2300 से ज्यादा लोगों की मृत्यु केवल नशे की वजह से हुई है और उसमें भी 30 से 45 वर्षीय लोगों की संख्या सबसे अधिक है।
जन जन का हो यही नारा,
जन जन का हो यही नारा,
नशा मुक्त हो देश हमारा,
नशा मुक्त हो देश हमारा,
नशे को गले लगाओगे,
नशे को गले लगाओगे,
जीवन नर्क बनाओगे,
जीवन नर्क बनाओगे।
तो दोस्तों, आपके सामने प्रस्तुत है ऐसे ही एक युवक राहुल की कहानी। अजी सुनती हो, आज मेरी तरक्की हो गई है और अब हमारे सारे सपने पूरे होंगे और अब राहुल को मुंबई बनने भेजता है।
हाँ, अब हमारे लिए भी बदल जाए।
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के जलाने हुए। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के जलाने हुए।
हाँ राहुल, कैसे हो?
और मैं तो अच्छा हूँ, तुम सब बताओ तुम्हारी पढ़ाई कैसी है?
क्या राहुल, तुम दिन भर पढ़ते रहते हो?
अरे छोड़ो पढ़ाई, आज पार्टी करते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, मैं तो यहाँ पढ़ाई करने आया हूँ, पार्टी शार्टी करने नहीं।
एक दिन पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे तो फेल थोड़ी ना हो जाओगे, कॉलेज से निकाले थोड़ी ना जाओगे। हम तो रोज पार्टी करते हैं। चलो चलो चलो। तो राहुल के दोस्त उसे जबरदस्ती पार्टी में ले जाते हैं और उसे नशे का आदी बना देते हैं।
थोड़ी सी होती
मेरे ठिकाने मुझे यहाँ मिल जाता अपने पैरों पर खड़ा होने के लिए। बस मैं चला उसी का साथ में आसमान पर उड़ रहा हूँ। चलो लोग,
राहुल की तो क्यों ही हो गई? हे भगवान, आखिर क्या हो गया? इसे मैंने यहाँ पढ़ने भेजा था, अपने सपने पूरे करने भेजा था। हाय मेरा दुर्भाग्य, मैं यहाँ मेरे जवान बेटे को कंधा देने आया हूँ।
तो देखा आप लोगों ने कि किस तरह राहुल का परिवार नशे के कारण बर्बाद हो गया। नशे की लत ने देश के भविष्य को तबाह कर दिया। किसी को पान मसाले तो किसी को बीड़ी सिगरेट की लत है, तो कोई शराब का आदी हो गया है। यह समस्त नागरिकों के लिए चिंता का विषय है। ऐसे में नशा मुक्त समाज का निर्माण करना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है।
कैंसर कौन की सीढ़ी, बीड़ी पीकर खास रहे हैं,
मौत के आगे नाच रहे हैं।
उठो घोट दो गला नशे का,
उठो घोट दो गला नशे का।
ये तुमसे कहता है नुक्कड़,
ये तुमसे कहता है नुक्कड़,
मौन नहीं रहता है नुक्कड़,
मौन नहीं रहता है नुक्कड़।
सुप्रभात मित्रों, मैं संस्कृति अटानिया आज आप सभी के समक्ष हमारे विद्यालय के स्थापना दिवस पर एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ और यह कविता हमारी प्यारी श्वेता मैडम द्वारा लिखित है। विद्यालय एक शब्द है पर समाज में इसका एक बड़ा पद है। सिर्फ शिक्षा देना नहीं हद इसकी, इसके होने की वजह बेहद है। संगम है विचारों का, ज्ञान का संसार है। नियोजन है आचारों का, विज्ञान का भंडार है। संयोजन है आदर्शों का, विधि विधान से सारोपार है। आयोजन है त्योहारों का, इसी से राष्ट्र का निर्माण है, इसी से राष्ट्र का निर्माण है। जब एक नन्हा पौधा जीवन पग पर बढ़ता है, रोशनी का सीधा स्थान यहीं से पाता है। स्तर चाहे कोई भी हो, सर, चाहे कोई भी हो, यहाँ केवल ज्ञान सींचा जाता है, यहाँ केवल ज्ञान सींचा जाता है। यूं तो मंगलयान के पीछे भी विद्यालय है। पूजा के लिए यही हमारा श्रेष्ठ शिवालय है। शिक्षा के लिए यही हमारा अधिक प्रथम हिमालय है। तीरथ बाई कलाचल, हाँ यह मेरा विद्यालय है। रीढ़ है उत्कृष्ट समाज के निर्माण की, नीड़ है उबलते रक्त और प्रचंड से वेदना के विराम की। रीढ़ है उत्कृष्ट समाज के निर्माण की, नीड़ है उबलते रक्त से वेदना के विराम की। दुख है जो न हो सके बस अधूरे छूटे काम की। दृढ़ है पर्वत सा देखे नब्ज छंद है। विराट है ज्ञान का बहता अविरल अनंत है। विजरा है सम्मान की, हाँ यह मेरा विद्यालय तीरथ बाई कलाचंद है। धन्यवाद।
Before we conclude our celebration, let's take a moment to express our gratitude to our beloved school and the guiding force that have shaped its destiny. I would like to invite a respected principal sir to share their thoughts on this special occasion. Please, sir.
Good morning, all. How are you? इतने से फाइन। So, I congratulate all staff members, students, and to all those who are associated with the school. A very happy Foundation Day, 46th Foundation Day we are celebrating today. School has completed 45 years with the help of all its well-wishers, parents, and all of you. We had established in 1978 on 1st of July, and ours was not the only institution by our group. We are very proud that we belong to a very glorious group. I hope you all know. And this is not the only addition in the glory of that group. I would like you all to know a little history of the group. Our group was established by late Sri Thakur Das Ji Pagarani. We call them Thakur Das Chulitram Pagarani because Chulitram was the name of his father. He established the entire group in name of his late father. He was very close to his father and his aunt, and the name of his aunt is Tirat Bai. So his aunt Tirat Bai was a child widow. काफी पहले उनके हस्बैंड की डेथ हो गई थी जब वो बहुत छोटी उम्र की थी, और तब से उन्होंने घर पे रहकर ठाकुर दास जी को पाला पोसा, उनको बड़ा किया, उनकी एजुकेशन पे बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान दिया. So he was very impressed, he was very overwhelmed with the way she took care of himself, and that is why name of her, after her name, he established this school in 1978. This school is run under a trust. Do you know the name of that trust? T. Chulitram Foundation. The complete name of the trust under which our school is run is T. Chulitram Foundation. So T stands for Thakur Das Ji. Thakur Das Ji is the name of our founder, and Chulitram is the name of his father. So T. Chulitram Foundation. Apart from T. Chulitram Foundation, There are two more trusts established by Sri Thakur Das ji. One is Choitram Charitable Trust and one is Choitram Choitram Fountain Trust of Humanitarian Services. So there are three trusts which run in Indore. He had these kind of trust in Indore only. He was basically from Indore, so he wanted to serve the city in the field of health and education, and therefore you can see only health and education ventures are there in our country. He had established a very vast business, but that commercial ventures were outside the country. And in India, he selected only two ventures, only two areas to work, and they were health and education, because they are related to service. So he wanted to serve the country, serve the city in these areas. The Choitram Foundation was established in 1971 and in 1970. And Choitram Charitable Trust was also established somewhere near 1971 or 70, I don't remember exactly. Under Choitram Charitable Trust, we have hospital. You know the name of Choitram Hospital? It is Choitram Hospital Research Center, situated at Manipal. The first establishment under Choitram Charitable Trust was Choitram Dispensary. Where is Choitram Dispensary? Who knows about Choitram Dispensary? It was established to give free primary treatment to people, and it is nearby our sports ground. So the building adjoined with our sports ground near the basketball court is the building of Choitram Group, and Choitram Dispensary is run in that building. It is still in function. Then Choitram Hospital was established in 1979. In 1982, Choitram College of Nursing was established. It is also there in the campus of Choitram Manipal. And in 2006, College of Paramedical Sciences, Health Sciences was established. So these establishments are under Choitram Charitable Trust, and we run under T. Choitram Foundation Trust. So T. Choitram Foundation Trust is basically for education services. So our school is there, which was established in 1978. In 1972, Choitram School Manipal was established. In 2004, two more schools were established, Choitram International and Choitram School North Campus. So two CBSE schools are there. One is affiliated with the International Board, IB curriculum, and our school is affiliated to State Board. So these are the institutions run under the trust established by Sri Thakur Das ji Father. Right from the inception of our school, with the help of all well-wishers and our guiding lights, we have tried to maintain the glory of the group. This is time to thank all our predecessors, previous principals and teachers, and all previous students also, who very successfully led the journey till today and handed over everything to us. So a big round of applause for all of them. Why do we celebrate something? Is it a birthday? In a way, why do you celebrate your birthday? Just to cut a cake? Or something else? We must celebrate something to remember the past, to realize the future, to realize the present, and to plan the future. So whatever we had in past, you must be knowing that, or you must know that our school has been amongst top 10 schools for many years in the city. And for a few years it has been in first 5 schools also. So this was all because of the hard work put in by teachers and staff members and all their students. Now this is the benchmark which is celebrated by all of us till today. What is next? क्या एक बार जो अचीवमेंट मिला है उसको लेके बैठ जाएं और उसी को सेलिब्रेट करते रहें, या हमें इससे आगे बढ़ना चाहिए? क्या कहते हो आप? कैसे बढ़ेंगे? कैसे बढ़ेंगे आप? एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करके, स्कूल रेगुलर नहीं आके, स्कूल के नियम सारे नॉर्म्स को फॉलो नहीं करके, पढ़ाई लिखाई में और एक्टिविटीज में कम मेहनत करके, इनडिसिप्लिन क्रिएट करके, स्कूल को गंदा करके, कैसे करो? या ये सब नहीं करके? So focus on what is to be done. Focus on what is to be done. We are celebrating this Foundation Day in the form of a week, and we have dedicated this entire week to club activities. You must be knowing about the entire plan, and if not, then teachers will tell you, your seniors will tell you that what all activities have been planned for the week. You have to participate in all these activities wholeheartedly, with full interest and energy. You should commit to yourself that what new, what extra, what useful I should learn so that I can live up to the glory of the institution, and what best practice I should adopt to, so that our school is not only recognized for the good academics but also for other practices. Can we commit to get our school identified as green school? So can we have more and more greenery in our school? Though we have very limited space, but doesn't matter. Can we make this only space a green space so that people know our school as green school and clean school? So for that, this is not the job of people who are employed for cleanliness. This is the job of each and everyone. So can we do that? Yes or no? बहुत ही फीबल आवाज है, बहुत ही कमजोर है. तो जैसे आवाज तेज कर रहे हो आप धीरे धीरे, वैसे ही काम भी करना है. Can we commit that as our school is an English medium school and your parents have taken admission for you looking at English medium school, so can we have an atmosphere of English speaking in our school without any hesitation, without any fear, without any shame? Can we inculcate the atmosphere of speaking in English? I am not saying that we should not speak Hindi. Hindi is our own language. But then, to upgrade ourselves, what is the harm in learning many languages? And English, as you all know, is a universal language, and it is accepted, required, and used everywhere. And as we are studying in an English medium school, so we must be well equipped, well literate in English. So क्यों ना आज से ही, from today, this is 1st of July, all of you interact with one another and with your teachers in English only. Can you promise this? थोड़ी शर्म आएगी. शुरू में ऐसा होगा कि क्लास में जब कोई एक इंग्लिश में बोलता है तो जो दूसरे नहीं बोलना चाहते हैं वो हंसी उड़ाते हैं। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि वी आर नॉट सो कॉन्फिडेंट, सो वी फंबल। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि हमको ऐसा लगता है कि लोग क्या कहेंगे। So without having fear of failure and fear of rejection, can we start working on it? How many of you are ready for this? I want all hands to be raised up. Hands down. So you are making promises one by one, and I'll observe this, and we'll have a monitoring plan also to check whether you are following this or not. And we have a reward system also for those who are actually and really committed and work for all these things. These all are for your benefits only. From this year we are starting some new practices. We are going to establish an innovation council. I had already announced in some of the assembly. So there will have some teachers and a team of students who will work for ideas and innovations. So all those students who have creative ideas, innovative ideas are welcome to participate under School Innovation Council. We'll ask you to submit your ideas, and if those ideas are feasible, suitable, then we'll go further to develop them as business ideas. So under School Innovation Council there will be two cells. One will be idea cell, wherein we'll invite the ideas from students from class 6 to 12, and the second cell will be E cell. E is entrepreneurship. So entrepreneurship cell deals with the development of ideas as business ideas, working to create a startup. So we'll be having some sessions, some training sessions, some orientation programs for them, for teachers as well as for students, for the team, and then we'll teach, we'll train the students who are participating also, and we'll conduct some activities also. We are working under One Choitram policy, and under that all teachers of all institutions of Choitram are now under one banner. They get together, they have already done some activities, and in future also they will get together for their own development, for their progress, and for their professional progress. In this same manner, we will have get-togethers of students also. So there would be some activities where students of the other school of the Choitram will be called here, or maybe you will be sent there to attend some training workshops or orientation sessions or some other program. So you all have to be ready for that. We'll be using more and more facilities of the Choitram institutions for our own purpose, because we are having some limitations. So why not to use their resources? So under this policy of One Choitram, we'll be sharing the resources also. We'll be sending a newsletter to all of you. So every month we'll prepare a newsletter in which the activities of school will be discussed, will be informed about activities done by teachers, activities of the coming month, activities that were conducted in the last month, what are celebrations, what are achievements of the school, all these things, and you can also contribute in the form of some article. The detailed information will be given to you in due course of time. So you can participate in creating newsletter of our own school. We'll have some attractive name for the newsletter, and first newsletter of our school will be published on 31st of July. So before that we have to decide its name also. You can suggest names from your side to the activity coordinator, and you can contribute also. You can contribute in the form of newsletter committee also. So there would be a committee of 3-4 students who will be editing the newsletter, who will be functional to prepare the newsletter. So this will also be a kind of learning for all of you. We have one newsletter of the staff members also, which is named Abhyuday. So in this newsletter, activities of teachers basically are showcased, are shared among all stakeholders. So we'll be sending a copy of that newsletter also to all of you. You can share that with your parents. You can share our school's newsletter also with your parents. And you can come to know about the activities. So my point is, we are coming up with new changes. We always welcome you if you are coming up with new ideas. All these activities, norms, rules, regulations are for your progress only. So don't just pass your time at the institution. सिर्फ इसलिए स्कूल में मत रहिए, आपकी इस उम्र में स्कूल में जाने का रिवाज है सारे ही देशों में, दुनिया में, इसलिए हमारे पेरेंट्स ने स्कूल में एडमिशन करा दिया है। हमको बस 10-12 साल का टाइम यहाँ पास करना है और जाना है। अगर इस हिसाब से कोई स्कूलिंग कर रहा है तो वो यूजलेस। आप स्कूल लाइफ का भरपूर फायदा उठाइए, अपनी जितनी स्किल्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं उतना स्किल डेवलप करिए। स्कूल की जो फैसिलिटीज है, स्कूल की जो प्रैक्टिसेस है, उससे अपने आप को डेवलप करिए और एक कॉन्फिडेंट ग्लोबल सिटीजन बन के बाहर जाइए। यही स्कूल का विजन है और इसी स्कूल के विजन के हिसाब से स्कूल की सारी एक्टिविटीज को फिक्स किया जाता है। सो आई होप दैट टुडे we'll all promise to ourselves, we'll be committed for what I discussed and what all that is good for our progress and development. Once again, congratulations to all of you. I congratulate and appreciate the efforts put in by class 7 students to show the Nukkad Natak. It was very good. So very impressive show was prepared by class 7 students. So I congratulate to the teacher in charge also and to students also. A big round of applause for class 7. The poem recited by Sanskriti was also very good. The way of reciting is very impressive, and the lyrics, the composition of the poem is also very good. So congratulations, ma'am and Sanskriti.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. Your guidance continues to inspire us all.